Hello everyone, Nancy here. What is Inlay? When should I choose Inlay? Are you confused? Just follow me. Inlay is usually for small objects like stone and multiple scan, especially for those who only need part data. The key point is that the objects should be smaller than the whole size of the plate and fix it in the center of the hole. Today we scan 3 teeth at one time. As the teeth are small, we need to add some feature to help alignment. So keep enough data of the blue tag is necessary. Add scan is very useful for multiple scan. We just need to rotate the data and shows the parts that we want to rescan facing us. Then click Add Scan icon. The software will do it automatically. Now the first group data is well captured. We need to change the position of these teeth. Just flip them up one by one and click Scan icon. The software would auto create another group. Do scan same as first time. Usually auto alignment works, but sometimes we may need manual alignment. Just click the data misalignment and enter manual alignment process. Feature alignment is easy. Just choose any two group data and click Align icon. If feature alignment failed, then use Mark alignment. Show these two data at same position, and choose 3 dots at the same position that with special feature. These 3 dots seems like a triangle better.